Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet this simple and beginner friendly cowl hood pattern for 1 to 3 year baby. It's super simple and easy to make. And this is a front open cowl hood design. And this begin from the bottom. And then you can make a hood. I will show you the measurements for this cowl hood design first. So this is 13 inches, which is 26 inches in round, and from this side it's 6.5 inches or 7 inches. You can change the measurement by making your base chain more or less. Now I will show you the measurement for hood. So hood is 8 inches almost from this side and 8 inches from this side. So this is the measurement for 1 to 3 year baby, but you can change your number of base chain if you want to make it in bigger sizes. Even for adults you can make this design because it's super simple and easy to make, and it contains only half double crochet stitch pattern. So I hope you guys love this pattern. So if you want to try it, please see the full tutorial till the end. So friends, for this project I am using a 4mm crochet hook and 2 strands of 3-ply cotton yarn. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making slip knot, make your base chain according to your desired size or desired length for cowl. You can make even or odd number base chain. So I am going to make 85 base chain for my project. You can add more chains for bigger sizes. So friends, I have completed my base chain. After completing your base chain, to start your first row, make chain 1 and wrap the yarn around your crochet hook. Go into the second chain from the hook, go into this back ridge of the chain, not go into the chain loop, go into the back ridge of the chain here and pull the yarn from this back ridge. Pull through all 3 loops to make half double crochet stitch. So this is our first half double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn again, go into the second back ridge of second chain and pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch 2. Again wrap the yarn, go into the third chain back ridge, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch 3. Again wrap the yarn, go into the fourth chain and make a half double crochet stitch 4. Again wrap the yarn, go into the fifth chain back ridge and make a half double crochet stitch 5. So this is the pattern, which is super simple and easy, and you can see a very fine chain loop pattern. in the base chain. So complete this till the end. After completing your first row, to start the second row, again make chain 1 and turn your work, wrap the yarn, go into this first half double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch 1. Now go into the same, repeat the same pattern, and go into the second stitch and make half double crochet stitch 2. Go into the third stitch and make half double crochet stitch 3. Go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 4. Go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 5. Repeat the same pattern till the last stitch and complete 85 half double crochet stitches. So after completing the second row, for the third row, make chain 1, turn your work, wrap the yarn, go into the first stitch and make half double crochet stitch 1. Go into the second stitch and make half double crochet stitch 2. Go into the third and make half double crochet stitch 3. Repeat this simple process of making half double crochet stitch till the end of the row, and repeat your rows by repeating the same pattern till we reach the buttonhole rows. Then I will show you how to. So after making some rows, now I will teach you how to make buttonholes in the next row. Now make chain 1, turn your work, go into the first stitch and make half double crochet 1. Go into the second stitch and make half double crochet stitch 2. After making 2 half double crochet stitches, now make chain 1 for buttonhole, skip 1 stitch, go into the next and make half double crochet stitch. So this is our buttonhole. Now go into the next stitch and make 1 double crochet stitch, go into the next stitch and make 1 double crochet stitch. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row by making 1 half double crochet stitch into every stitch and make another row. Now for this second row, make 1 half double crochet stitch into every half double crochet stitch and into this chain 1 space as well. Like this, and then make 2 half double crochet stitches to the next 2 stitches. Now make chain 1, turn your work and make half double crochet stitch row again, 1 half double crochet stitch into every stitch. Make 1 half double crochet stitch into every stitch till the end and make another row of half double crochet stitch in which we are also going to make a chain 1 space. So after 2 rows in this third row, we are going to make another buttonhole. So make chain 1, skip this third stitch, go into the second stitch and make half double crochet stitch. Go into the next last half double crochet stitch and make a second half double crochet stitch. Now this is our second buttonhole space. Now simply turn your work and make one half double crochet stitch into every stitch by repeating the same pattern. And after completing this row, make another row of half double crochet stitch by making one half double crochet stitch into every stitch like I am making in this row. Complete this row and make another row by repeating the same pattern to gain the required size of cowl. After completing 2 rows, now we are going to make hood part. So start from this side, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half double crochet stitches and go into the 6th one, pull the yarn and make a chain 1. Now go into the same stitch, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch. Go into the second stitch and make a single crochet 2. After making 2 single crochet stitches, go into the third stitch and pull the yarn. Go into the 4th stitch and pull the yarn. Now pull through all 3 loops to make a single crochet together stitch. Go into the next stitch and make single crochet 1. Go into the next and make single crochet 2. Now go into the third and pull the yarn. Go into the 4th and pull the yarn. Pull through all 3 loops to make a single crochet together stitch again. Now make 2 single crochet stitches, single crochet 1, single crochet 2, and now make single crochet together stitch into next 2 stitches. So repeat this pattern of 2 double crochet stitch and 1 double crochet together stitch till the end, and skip last 5 half double crochet stitches. Now make chain 1 and turn your work and now make simply half double crochet stitches row. So go into this first single crochet stitch and make a half double crochet stitch 1. Go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 2. Go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 3. Go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 4. And simply make 1 half double crochet stitch into every stitch till the end. Now make chain 1, turn your work for the next row and make half double crochet stitch 1. Go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 2. Go into the next and make half double crochet stitch 3 and make 1 half double crochet stitch into every stitch till the end of the row, and Simply repeat half double crochet stitch rows for the hood part as we have done for the cowl part till the desired length. After completing the hood, make chain 1 and pull a long yarn tail and cut the extra yarn. We are going to weave our hood with the help of yarn needle. So now join these two parts together. Go into the very first half double crochet stitch and join these first two half double crochet stitches together with the help of needle and make it tight by repeating the same pattern. Go into the both second stitches and then third stitches and then fourth stitches of both side and tied the yarn. Repeat the same pattern and go into every stitch and weave this whole part together. So after weaving this part, I have cutted the extra yarn. After joining it, now we are going to add 2 buttons with the help of tapestry needle. So skip first 2 rows and go into the third row and add a button, and again skip 2 rows, go into the third row and add a button here as well with the help of needle. So friends, this is the final look after adding the button. So this is very simple and easy pattern of cowl hood design. So I hope you guys like this. Please try it, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.